Today we're going to test the system. We've fully installed it, installed the Global Hydro system. We've filled up 25 litres and we're going to run 30 minutes with the just straight diesel, test it, check the fuel, check how much fuel we've used. Then we're going to turn on the Hydro Globo system and then run it again and then compare the two to see how good it works.
We're about to commence the non-hydrogen test. We'll run the engine for 30 minutes and we'll come back with the results of the fuel consumption after 30 minutes. How are you going?
Good, so?
Yeah, good. So we've got the hydrogen. We're just doing a non-hydrogen test.
Yeah.
So we can do the before and after. So the basic principle is the hydrogen's going into the air intake.
Yeah.
And by adding the hydrogen, it reaches its RPM.
How much pressure's in that bottle?
200 bar. The no hydrogen test is now completed and the result was 3.5 litres of diesel consumed in 30 minutes. We'll now commence the hydrogen addition testing. And now we're going to commence the hydrogen test. We're going to run the engine for 30 minutes with the addition of hydrogen. We've just completed the hydrogen testing, so it's hydrogen and diesel. The result was 1.75 litre used in 30 minutes.